You ain't talk about now, you lie. Your nail tech ain't better than mine. My shit gloss top notch, they shine. Pull out my cell, get a glimpse at mine. Back to your door, I'm gonna steal my steeds. Who you know saw shit drippin' oil like me, bitch, please. Put your mind at ease, it's me.
Your girl Shay is back with another nail tutorial. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be doing DIY jelly nails. As you guys know that this is the new trend going on. And when you purchase stuff from these companies, they be like extremely high when we can just make stuff ourselves. So what you're going to need is some alcohol inks, which I purchased from my local Michaels. I think Joann Fabric sells them. Walmart probably has them. And of course, they're on Amazon and eBay. And then you're going to need a clear non-white top coat. I'm going to be using IBD Intense Seal. And then you're going to need a something that's transparent that you can mix the two on. I'm using just a little top from a storage container where I put like Swarovski crystals and stuff in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and of course a gel brush to do the mixing. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. When mixing, always do like a drop at a time so that you don't overdo it with the color. Because if you add too much at one time, you can't take it back. But if you do it drop by drop, then you can always, alter the color. So as you can see, I didn't really like the red the first time, so I added a little more. And then I got the color that I wanted.
Charges keep approved shit, never fuck with fraud, bitch. No need for hype, cause my aura gnarly. Gone by this, shout out to Marley. Think you drippin' sauce while I'm here, sorry. Bitches be reaching, talking so much. Think I hear him, I can't hear him hardly. Nails be gleaming like a wristwatch. Stay on freeze, it's the ice shop. Ain't too many got what I got. Nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', my nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', my nails be drippin', nails be drippin', snap a screenshot. Nails be gleaming like a wristwatch. Stay on freeze, it's the ice shop. Ain't too many got what I got. Nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', my nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', my nails be drippin'. When I'm on the south side, south side. When I'm on the west side, west side. When I'm on the east side, east side. When I'm on the north side, north side. Nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', my nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', my nails be drippin'. When I'm on the south side, south side. When I'm on the west side, west side. When I'm on the east side, east side. When I'm on the north side, north side. Nails be drippin', nails be drippin', nails be drippin', my nails be.
So for the second way, which is with acrylic, you're going to need liquid monomer. You're going to need clear acrylic. I'm going to be using Valentino Crystal Clear. And then the color that you want to use, I'm just going to use this bluish color. So you're going to add a drop or however many drops to get the desired color that you want to your monomer. And then you're going to just apply your acrylic like regularly. You guys, clear tips are a must for this look. You can use it on regular tips, but you will not get the jelly effect that you see here. So I just wanted to put that out there because I know I didn't mention it in the beginning, but you must use clear tips and clear acrylic for the jelly look.
Constantly I be in the city. boss, it's my own lane. Sus blaze this bitch, no propane. On my grind, get this gas while you chasing that jump chain. Yeah. Screenshot. Nails be gleaming like a wristwatch. Stay on freeze, it's an ice shop. Ain't too many, got what I got. Nails be dripping, nails be dripping, nails be dripping, my nails be dripping, nails be dripping, nails be dripping, nails be dripping, my nails be dripping, nails be dripping. Snap a screenshot. Nails be gleaming like a wristwatch. Stay on freeze, it's an ice shop. Ain't too many, got what I got. Nails be dripping, nails be dripping, nails be dripping, my nails be dripping, nails be dripping, nails be dripping, nails be dripping, my nails be dripping. And it boom, and it boom.
The acrylic brush that I'm using is my Alpha number 8 oval brush. You guys can purchase them at alphabrushes.com. Don't forget to use my coupon code ClassAct10 to receive 10% off of your order. And the gel brush that I used was a Poochie's gel brush. You can purchase them at poochiesnails.com or the Nail Art Boutique. My top coat that I'm using to top coat them both is Bio Seaweed Gel. So this is how they both look. The red one is the one that I made with the gel polish and the blue one is the one with acrylic. So I'm just going to touch up the shape for a split second and then I'm going to buff it and clean it off and apply my gel top coat.
When I'm on the south side, when I'm on the west side, when I'm on the east side, when I'm on the north side, nails be, my nails be, my nails be, when I'm on the south side, when I'm on the west side.
All right, loves, this is the finished look and how you achieve your own jelly nails without having to spend a lot of money. As always, thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and add me on Instagram at ClassAct Nails. I will see you all later.